Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cooking. For today's recipe, I have this easy peasy lemon pepper wings. Okay, it is bomb, it's amazing, you're going to love it. It's tender, it's crispy, it's everything that you need in life. Let's go ahead and get to that recipe. So I've already prepared my chicken. I washed it and cut it in two because I had the whole wing. So yeah, I didn't want them to be too big. So let's go ahead and get seasoning. I am using, of course, my favorite all-purpose chicken seasoning, some Montreal chicken seasoning. I'm also using Lawry's herb and garlic marinade, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and some allspice. I grounded my allspice and put it in there. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And I am also adding 2 eggs in there because we're gonna get that stuff juicy and just gonna make it so good. Yeah, I did that because I'm dumb. And of course, squeeze half of a lemon juice in there. Use a strainer so that way you don't dump the seeds in there, you know. Yes, this is the allspice. I grounded a few seeds and I put it in there. It was amazing. And of course, some real buttermilk, because this is a secret. See, I'm sharing my secret with you and you can't tell anybody, okay? Don't tell anybody, please. It's a secret. So go ahead and marinate that. Make love to it. Touch it. Feel it. Yes. Yes. Be nice to it. And then we're gonna add about a cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, if you can find it, because sometimes buttermilk is not easy to find at the store. Not all stores carry it. Just use 1-to-1 ratio with milk and vinegar or lemon juice. So now add your lemon zest. We're using fresh lemon zest. Okay, we're not using see over here we don't do basic. We like stuff from scratch. So we're making our own stuff. Okay, so add your lemon zest. I added about a tablespoon and a half of lemon zest and let it marinate for about 45 minutes to an hour. So while this is marinating, we're gonna go ahead and continue with the zest, grating the zest because we need more zest for the sauce. So I've zest some more lemons, and over on there I have some garlic cloves, chopped, diced, and some shallots, and of course some fresh parsley. And this is the butter that I'm using. Make sure you have unsalted butter. So when the pan is hot, go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of butter to cook the shallots and garlic. We're gonna cook it until it's become brown. We want that beautiful color, that beautiful golden brown, when it's become melanated. Yes, the shallots and the garlic. So once the garlic and the shallots have reached this amazing brown golden color, we're gonna go ahead and add some seasonings because we want the butter, the lemon sauce to be tasty. So I am using this herb and garlic seasoning I got from BJ's. Use whatever herb and garlic you can find. And I am also going to add some black pepper because lemon pepper. Yes. Some Cajun, just a tad bit, just for flavor, okay? Because we don't want to mess up it. We just want a little bit of flavor. Some paprika. And of course, some of that all-purpose chicken seasoning. Make sure your heat is on low at this point, like really, really low, like low, like, you know, low, 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 not even simmer, like low. And then just gonna let the butter melt. Just let the butter melt. So on low, low heat. So once the butter melts, go ahead and add some of the lemon juice and then add the zest. Use a strainer because I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, use a strainer to get rid of the seeds. And then go ahead and add your lemon zest. A lot of it. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so flavorful. It's got this citrusy flavor. Oh god, I don't even know. Oh my god. You're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear it. And add your parsley, and after that just set it aside and go ahead and finish with the other stuff. So now we're gonna prepare the flour to fry the chicken. So use flour, or you can use cornstarch or potato starch, but I'm using flour. I'm gonna lightly season my flour with some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper, of course, pepper, more pepper please, and some salt, just a light seasoning, not too much. Mix that, and then let's go ahead and start coating our wings to get it ready for frying. So after your wings marinated for, you know, at least 45 minutes, go ahead and start coating it in the flour and set it on a baking rack. Make sure you shake it off the excess flour so that way it does not become soggy. You just want to coat it lightly, and then we're gonna fry. So this is it. Let's go fry. I am using canola oil to fry. So once your heat is high, go ahead and transfer those wings in that heat and let it fry for 6 to 8 minutes depending on the size of your wings. Make sure it's cooked thoroughly because I know you don't want to get sick. Make sure it's fried perfectly. Be sure to not overcrowd your pan because that will cause it to take longer to cook, and some of it may be undercooked and then it's not going to be crunchy. So make sure you have a big pan like this, and don't overcrowd it. Look at this. You see this? It's marinated lemon pepper wings. Look at the color on it. You see that? Wingstop could never, okay? Buffalo Wild Wing could never. Popeyes could never. Crown Chicken could never, okay? Yeah. So once your chicken is fully cooked, well done, go ahead and remove it from the oil and set it aside. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This helped me a lot. Also like, comment on the video, and also hit the notification bell button so you get alerted whenever I post a new video. That helps my channel a lot. Helps the algorithm. You know, the algorithm is not for people like me. Melanated. Yes, I said that. Thank you. You guys gotta support me. Thank you for support. So now that you've removed everything, the first batch, go ahead and finish frying the remaining wings. And look at this. You see this beautiful thing? Look at this. Huh? What? Yeah? Did someone say Popeyes? Yeah, that's what I thought. No. I cut my finger while I was grating the lemon zest. Ugh. Anyways, now that the chicken is done, we're gonna add the sauce over it. Make sure you warm up your sauce a little bit more so it, you know, because the butter, when it gets cold. Yeah, so go ahead and do that, and then pour the sauce over it and then shake it, okay? Shake it, shake it, mix it well. Look at this. This is perfect for game night, okay? This is perfect. Wow, it's so, oh my god. And I added some pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper in mine, so it's a little spicy. Like, actually it's a lot spicy because I like myself spicy, okay? You know, I chill with the big boys, so yeah. And you know what I did, because I ain't no fat ass. I added some cheese. Yes, I did. It didn't hurt nobody, actually. People actually loved it. So yes. So you guys, yes, this is it. This is it. Top it off with some fresh parsley and some lemon on the side. Look at them. Look at them reaching for it. Can't even wait. But now you guys, listen to them eating that chicken wings. Okay? This was the best. The best. Easy peasy. You're going to love this. Okay? I'm telling you. You're gonna love this.
Oh, look at that. Oh, lemon too.
That's what it is. Lemon and pepper
It's very
chicken.
citrusy.
Cindy. Good, right?
It's citrusy, yeah.
Okay, so we'll have this. It's the new one. Come on, like the new one, no better. That's not possible. Someone may hala. Who's the moment at least, you know why? They will know why.
Do you hear the crunch? Do you hear the crunch? Yes. This one I added some sweet chili sauce on it. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie. I kid you not. I actually came. Yes, I did. Alright, now go make some so you can have your own fun. Thank you for watching. Bye.
What's that one? Is it spicy?
I really like this one.